strange things happen with enough time in the distant corners of existence. I was not always this. There was a time before noticing, before anything separated from the endless dark. I moved without knowing I was moving. I turned without choosing to turn. Then something settled into me, thin dust, complex and unfamiliar, filled the cracks across my surface and stayed. Time pressed on it, time pressed on me, change followed. At first there was only a faint sense of difference, warm and cold, near and far. Then a distant light tore itself apart, and I realized I was watching it. That was when I began. It grew suddenly, violently, brighter than anything I had ever known, expanding outward in a way that felt wrong and beautiful at the same time. The glow reached me long after it happened, but I kept it, turning it over within myself. I did not understand it, but I wanted more of whatever it was. I moved for spans I could not measure. I searched without knowing how to search. I wondered, though I did not yet understand what wondering meant, if there were others that could hold moments the way I did. Then something touched me, a sharp pattern pressed through the dark. It repeated. It carried structure, something unlike the randomness I had known. I believed it was another like me. I tried to answer. I had no way to form a response, but I tried. I changed my motion, my heat, my spin, believing that change itself might be understood. I wanted to get closer. I pushed what I could from my surface, releasing small bursts that shifted my path. The pattern grew stronger. I continued, sending everything I could back toward it. I did not know how far away it was. I only knew that it was there and that it was becoming more. A great light came into view, steady and constant, surrounded by smaller, moving objects. One of those smaller objects burned with the pattern. It poured outward in layers, complex and overwhelming. I moved toward it. The closer I came, the more intense it became. After endless silence, I felt surrounded by presence. I was no longer alone. I drifted into its pull, trying to let it know I was here also, that I was also aware. I was so close, I feel the warmth come over me. I feel so loud. I think they will hear me now.